Hi everyone, I'm the behind the scenes guy for all these employee spotlight interviews. So I just wanted to say a quick thank you and let's get started with our last employee spotlight interview. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Thank you so much for having me today. My name is Chiu. I'm currently the marketing intern for the summer for OhmniLabs. I'm a rising junior at Boston College. Here I am, recording my own YouTube video. I nearly got named Pikachu. So my last name is Chiu. While my parents were naming me, my brother had the brightest idea to say, hey, let's name him Pika, because then his name would be Pikachu. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F*** by Mark Manson. It talks about how there are things that just aren't worth giving a f*** about. Things you can't control. The boys. Imagine if Superman was evil, the strongest dude in the world, acting on his own selfish desires, doing literally anything he wants to do. It would be a really scary world because nobody can stand up to him. And that's exactly what The Boys is. So I went through the entire season 1 and season 2 within like 5 days.
I'm obsessed with this.